Today we're going to be working with the MQTT protocol. It's a messaging protocol on Red Hat AMQ Broker deployed on your own OpenShift Local environment. This is so that we can send MQTT messages to an IoT agent like a smart device would do, which feed into the context broker provided by FIWARE. So we're working with smart device technology here, and it's deployable as containers on OpenShift. Let me show you how to get started. I've been working on the GitOps for this. So you can go to github.com/computate-org/smartabayar Smart Village project. And inside of the OpenShift directory, customize bundles AMQ Broker. This is what I'm talking about here. We have some base resources which will deploy the namespace for it, a subscription to an operator for AMQ Broker, and an ArgoCD application which will deploy everything else that we need. Let me pull up my OpenShift environment. If I type in crc start into the command line, it's already started, so all I have to do is copy this URL and pull up OpenShift Local. Now I'm going to find the route to ArgoCD so that we can look at that at the same time. Let's go to networking, routes. Here it is right here, ArgoCD. I'm going to put this down here so that you can see. We have our context broker and MongoDB. Next, I'll pull up the developer view. So we don't yet have the AMQ broker namespace, but that'll appear soon. Let's run this GitOps. We need to log into our cluster in the terminal. So I copy the login command, put in kubeadmin, and the password, get my token here. Put that into the terminal, and I'm ready to go. Now I type in oc apply-k. I put my open source projects into home/.local src smartabayar smart village /OpenShift customize and run oc apply-k bundles AMQ Broker. Let me show you what this will do with the dry --run equals client. Oops. I forgot to put base on this directory. Here we go. So it's going to create the AMQ Broker namespace. It's going to create an operator subscription to AMQ Broker rel 8. And then it's going to create an ArgoCD application for our AMQ Broker. Let's try this out in real life without the dry run. So now we have AMQ Broker here, and we have a new application, AMQ Broker. It says it's synced. Now let's go to the administrator perspective. Let's pull up operators, installed operators, and here is AMQ Broker. Let's see what instances it has. All right, so I expected oh, I think we have a mistake. So let's fix this here. Oh, maybe I'm in the wrong namespace. If I go to FIWARE, AMQ Broker, all instances. Oh, here it is. I forget which namespace it deployed them to. So it's set up an AMQ Broker here, which is cool, and an AMQ Broker address. Let's take a look at the routes here in the FIWARE namespace. So we have a FIWARE broker. Let's check it out. Let's click on Management Console and log in as kubeadmin. Oops. There we go. So I expect to see here an MQTT acceptor and an address called FIWARE-address. Queues, multicast, FIWARE queue. So these are the components of AMQ that the AMQ broker operator can set up automatically. I'll show you more about these in detail. If we go into this app and pull up the address and pull up the Artemis or the broker. Let's just put those side by side. You'll see here that we set up an address called FIWARE address. That's the name. It sets up a queue called FIWARE queue. It's multicast, so it will send the message to everybody subscribed. And it has both AMQP and MQTT. That's because the FIWARE IOT Agent supports both of these protocols, but we're going to focus on MQTT in future videos. So this should be all set up and ready to go. We're not going to send any messages yet. We'll do that in future videos. But I hope you can see how easy it is to set up a whole message stream with AMQP or MQTT very easily with Red Hat operators on Red Hat OpenShift. So I hope that was helpful. Stay tuned for more about messaging and smart devices, and thanks for watching.